Here's how I use a credit card without ever going into debt and literally cashing in free money and rewards from my credit card company, like for no reason. My husband and I built a budget in the app YNAB, or You Need a Budget, which accounts for all the spending we do in a month. We budget for all of our bills, our dog's way too fancy dog food, my husband's disc golf hobby. We even budget a little bit each month for our Amazon Prime membership, which doesn't even renew for 9 more months, but we do because we're on top of it. Whenever we buy something with our credit card, we record it as a credit card purchase in YNAB, and it takes whatever money we spent out of the appropriate spending category, like groceries or clothing, and sets it aside for our future credit card payment. So we 100% set both of our credit cards to auto pay for the full balance amount every single month, and literally every single penny we're gonna need to pay off our credit card balance in full is sitting in our credit card payment category waiting to pay off our bill. We cash out our rewards every few months and have literally never been a single dollar late on our credit card payments. Link to try it yourself in the caption.